Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 16th of July, the morning edition. Alabama's weather not changing much today and tomorrow. Very humid air. A number of showers and storms around during the afternoon and evening hours, but the air should be drier by Wednesday. How long will that last? Let's check it out. Here's the upper look. Very standard look for mid-July. Got the storm track. The westerlies up on the Canadian border. Flat ridge down here. Very soupy, muggy air mass. In fact, speaking of that, this is the precipitable water expected at noon today. And you can see that much of the state in excess of 2 inches, like a big wet sponge. Doesn't take a lot to squeeze out a shower or storm from that with the summer heat we have. That was the radar early this morning at 5:05. Had a little cluster of showers over parts of Pickens and Greene and Hale counties of West Alabama. The rest of the state pretty quiet at daybreak. There's a watch warning map around the nation. We note a few counties in Alabama under a heat advisory, but with the number of showers and storms we're seeing, heat problems won't last long, thankfully. There's the severe weather outlook today. The risks are up north. We're solidly in the green. Storms that form today will produce gusty winds, very heavy rain, a lot of lightning, but it's not going to rain everywhere. They're random. This is tomorrow, and this is Wednesday. Notice how the dry air begins to creep in here, and we're thinking roughly the northern half of the state will be mostly dry with only isolated showers by Wednesday. This is the rain for the next 7 days, fairly wet for the eastern half of the country. Rain amounts in Alabama mostly between 1.5 and 2.5 inches. But again, we should see a break from the numerous storms at least by Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday. Atlantic Basin, quiet. That's a tropical weather outlook. Beryl is now post-tropical, moving up toward the North Atlantic. The deep tropics are quiet. The Gulf is quiet. So model fans, let's take a look here. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid today at 1 o'clock. We'll be watching that trough digging down into Minnesota in the Great Lakes. But again, no difference today. Cloudy at times, scattered to numerous showers and storms this afternoon. Highs 87 to 90. Same thing tomorrow, a surface front approaching, a number of showers and storms around. Highs 87 to 90, but Wednesday, you can see the northern half of the state in drier air. The dew points come down a little bit. Better chance of showers and storms over South Alabama. The high will be close to 90, and the same thing Thursday, a fairly dry air mass for a decent part of the state. So on those 2 days, we should see a break in the action. This is Friday, and we're kind of getting in a northwest flow pattern here where we'll have to watch for disturbances that roll down from the northwest, and those can be very tricky. We'll mention the chance of a storm Friday, but a decent part of the day should be dry. And look at Saturday. We'll go back in the upper atmosphere here. Look at the trough over the eastern states. That's very anomalous for July. And again, we'll probably be on the backside of that thing with the northwest flow aloft. We'll have to watch for anything that rolls down from St. Louis and Memphis. That's the surface look. And we'll mention, again, the chance of a storm on Saturday, but not an all-day rain. And Sunday looks fairly dry, but again, we'll have that kind of tricky northwest flow aloft. We'll go to Monday of next week. Upper high well to the west, heights about where they should be. And again, that looks pretty quiet. We'll go out 10 days. Wednesday of next week, the 25th. Little weakness over the central Gulf Coast, and that looks pretty moist. That would suggest that showers and storms will increase again toward the middle of next week if this verifies. Here are the numbers. Not bad. I mean, come on now. We can be baking here this time of the year. This is suggesting highs upper 80s and low 90s, lows upper 60s and low 70s for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.